Kane, McHenry, and Boone counties until midnight. At 11:17 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from near Clinton to Cherry Valley to near Hillcrest. Movement was east at 60 miles per hour. Winds in excess of 40 miles per hour will be possible with these storms. Locations impacted include Rockford, Elgin, Carpentersville, Beloit, Algonquin, McHenry, Belvedere, Woodstock, Loves Park, McChesney Park, Sycamore, Harvard, South Beloit, Brockton, Baringo, Genoa, Wonder Lake, Sleepy Hollow, Pistakee Highlands, and Rockford Airport. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with these storms and may lead to localized flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A flood advisory